Dear friends, I am Ravi. Welcome you on my channel Rara2 World. Hello friends, many IT services and their reach is changing because of current world situation, as we all are aware about it. Here we will discuss how you can overcome and improve with some of the area related to IT services and its operation. First is related to team management. Here when I am saying team management, it's related to strategy and support and measurement related to what job our team is doing and competent at. So are they dependent on external factor like support vendor, OEM and external parties, like which all services you can take to cloud if you are fully dependent on your external vendor and support partner. First is email services. You can check which services you can manage well or you can take it to the cloud. Second, essential portals, ticketing system and reporting of servers. That is how you can see health of the servers and its overall control and status of the server. Ticketing system is in place for better accountability and work allotment. Second is communication tools. In person, nowadays it is happening like most of the meeting is happening over the internet, and those are Zoom, WebEx, Microsoft Teams and GoToMeeting and etc. Now you should also take care what is good software available with all type of security. They are not taking away your privacy and your data. It will save your travel time and avoid public transport usage and spread of unnecessary infection. This communication tool cover audio bridge, video conference and many more. The third is financial transactions. Now it is time, if till the date transaction is happening by depositing check, exchanging papers, you should go for online transaction and opt for NEFT, RTGS, UPI and online system, and contact your bank for on-premise transaction system, which are very much available. Big banks like HDFC is there, ICICI is there, HSBC is there, Kotak is there, Citibank is there. They are providing this type of service. Digital and contactless payment should be implemented. Fourth topic is cyber security. Okay, when we are saying cyber security, it should cover all the aspect of your security, which will cover perimeter security, gateway level security, network level security, servers, data center level protection and security appliance. It will cover hardware as well as software. Assessment of your devices and endpoint. Many a company do this assessment, which are vulnerability available, what is their patch level. If they are required to upgrade, they immediately go for the action and a mitigation plan. User awareness and their training on security. Because if you have implemented everything in place, if your data is leakaging, it will create problem. Let me know if you want me to provide user security awareness training for your organization. Next is VAPT, Vulnerability Assessment and Penetration Test for your critical services. This also nowadays compliance requirement protect you from external attacks. So one should go for this test. Check compliance level for better update and patch upgrade. So how you can do that? Many type of services are available. If I'm considering if your environment is related to Microsoft, you can deploy WSUS or SCCM services, which are very much part of Microsoft SoftGrade OS and firmware level and -1 last version. Next is on-premise or cloud. That is in current situation, you can determine which services you can remain with on-site and which services you can take it to cloud. For example, email services can be taken to cloud. Zoom type of or VC type of services you can take to cloud. The sixth is support. The scenario when most of your user, including your senior management, business users, they are working from home, whether you have tool and tackle facility like VPN in place, lease line and internet bandwidth in place, enable them for better security and resource access. When most of the users are working from home, they should be given e-consulting through the vendor and support partner and OEM on different parameter like check your VPN usage, your load of the devices, load balancing of the devices, whether the devices are capable enough to fail over. Seventh, digital transformation. Identify the area which can be transformed to digital work. Automation through the digital adoption. data analytics by cloud-based solution. The smart manufacturing adoption can take place. Machine condition monitoring, especially for overall equipment effectiveness. Eighth is hardware, which all devices and end user computing equipments are there, which can increase their productivity to use from remote, or it's a security anti-APT and servers backup, which will secure your data for restoration, etc. For end user computing, thin client is there, VDI is there, which is a virtual desktop interface, and cloud-based VDI is also available nowadays, accessible over the internet. Hyperconverged system is available, which is latest, and it will give you drastic performance improvement for your system and impact your user productivity. Next topic is it's a software. Recheck which all software are available and which could be required when you are most of the time working from remote. Can be connect, can be remote session, could be remote sharing and help to them, and ERP. If your ERP is in cloud, and designing and engineering software like CATIA is there, AutoCAD is there, CAD/CAM type of software are there. If those are in place, it will help your business user to work from home as well. The next is others, because I don't want to make this video very lengthy. Next topic could be robotics, 3D printing, big data and analytics. When I mention learning and training, it could be related to yourself as well as user awareness and their boosting of their productivity. BCP and DR for your organization to make data availability and services availability. You can comment and let me know which area you have already implemented and taken care. Any area you want to take in detail, please suggest. Follow and subscribe my channel. Comment for any advice and help required. Thank you.
Friends, check my other videos for more information. Your comments and suggestions boost my energy to make it better and better. Demand more video on a specific subject through your comments. Sharing this video will help your friends, so keep sharing. Thank you for watching and take care.